Now, y'all know I love it when businesses repurpose old buildings. So let's head to Grand Prairie's old fire station that's now extinguishing both thirst and hunger. Welcome to FireHouse Gastro Pub. Part restaurant, part cocktail lounge, part music venue, part coffee shop, and part indoor terrarium. Dreamed up by owners Jason and Carly Smith.
Is he coming? I mean, it's supposed to be here.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Guys, I'm sorry. I tried to go to the bathroom. I got lost in the jungle. What is this doing in the middle of the restaurant? What am I having, Jason?
That is mezcal, pressed watermelon, agave, a little bit of basil, and then the flowers are basil flowers on the top.
Ooh.
Yeah, we call it Southern Charm.
Oh, that's refreshing. That's amazing. This is not your average cocktail. In fact, it's Mama's Medicine, the company they started together in Los Angeles before moving back to Carly's hometown here to raise their family. Carly, you grew up here and then...
I grew up here and then I went off to Los Angeles to be an actress.
The
dream, the thing.
Yeah.
We actually met in catering, which is sad.
Yeah,
You would think we had met on a
sad
movie
story,
set
yeah.
or something, but
we
it
met
was
on a
catering.
movie set. Remember?
Yeah.
That's what we were going to say.
It was a movie set.
Yeah, it was an amazing film.
We didn't have
Maybe
to do
not
anything
the acting, but the
acting.
thing. They're being humble. Both have had great success, and Jason still acts quite a lot.
It's my hobby that I get paid for, I think, right? It adds up to not much sleep. You know this life. You never stop.
Keeping the family first will add up to no sleep.
Yeah, and to bring something that we love so much and to have like family around and other people's family around felt really good.
That's awesome.
She didn't cry either. She was about to.
I was about, yeah, I know.
There was like a little moment
okay.
there.
I know.
Yeah, that's
I know.
okay.
It's awesome.
So a lot of the old firefighters will come back in and be like,
Oh yeah,
story.
it's really sweet.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's obvious they both love what they do. And I love these Dirty Bird fries.
It's a deconstructed Nashville hot chicken sandwich. So hot chicken, slaw, house pickles, French fries, comeback sauce, Nashville seasoning.
Oh, holy moly, that's good. This is really special place.
Thanks, brother.
I mean, it's got to also feel good that y'all are the most attractive restaurateurs in Texas. We were here officially to award y'all that. I don't know if y'all know that. The most attractive
gosh.
restaurant. Yeah.
Well,
The committee
thank you.
voted. It was
Thank you.
Daniel and Greg. All jokes aside, it's not often you can have a great time in an old fire station. And while the dirty chicken is the most popular item, I got my eye on one of their burgers. So this, my friends, is their smokehouse burger, not a vegetable in sight. I guess I do have vegetables. It's fried zucchini. That's healthier than fries.
It sounds like a better option.
Maybe when you dip them in ranch. What's the likelihood I can get a patty, a bun, 2 onion rings in my mouth at one time? Oh, the seared patty and the bacon, the onion rings. You know, a lot of times I'm a burger traditionalist, right? I want the mustard, I want the pickles, and then you run into a burger like this and you start to question your whole belief system. This is good. I think what I love most about this place is it is a master's class about what's possible with historic renovations, right? You take something that's kind of old, abandoned, and some people wanted to tear down, and you turn it into the total community hotspot, and suddenly people can see what's possible in a historic downtown. Like, this is absolutely awesome. Hey, who wouldn't want to come and eat a smokehouse burger in a historic firehouse? Like, sign me up. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.